Hello everyone, this is Diksha. I have completed my masters in zoology from Kumar University, Nainital, and currently preparing for my NEET exams and other competitive exams related to my subject. And the one thing which kept me guided through my way through my post graduation and exams are the online and offline classes which I took from Adhyayan tutorials. After joining Adhyayan tutorials, I can say the two main things which are brought into my account are the regularity and the guidance. I really like the way teacher explains the concepts and their way of teaching and their amicable attitude towards any doubts and queries. The way teacher explains the concepts by relating them to the real life examples are so nicely so that the students can easily grab it from basic level to the advanced topic. Every and each topic is taught so nicely so the students can approach towards it not only in the theoretical way but as well as in the practical way also. The teachers are so cooperative and supportive at Adhyayan tutorials that they do not only explain the topics but also do the career counseling for the students. Helps the students in shaping up their future, or I can say good quality of printed notes is also provided at the tutorial or at the coaching center after each and every class for quick revision. Adhyayan tutorial is the step towards a success, and I can suggest you to join it for the betterment of your lives and for preparing or other competitive exam related UPSC, MSc entrances, JRF, SRF, PhD entrances and various other competitive exams. So good luck, all the best. Thank you.